Hi. Today we discuss about 7 best battery chargers for diesel truck. So let's start. Number 1.
Hi. Today we discuss about Schumacher South Carolina 1309 battery charger. So let's start. Key specifications. Item weight 30.3 pounds. Engine start 200 amp. Start, stop button. Yes. Boost 40 amp. Key features. Schumacher battery charger has automatic voltage detection and provides a great power supply to jump-start 6 volts and 12 volts batteries. It has an alternator tester technology that helps determine the battery charge levels and diagnose battery issues. It has a sturdy metal case that protects the charger against external damages and wheels for maneuverability. You can use a retractable handle on the battery to easily carry it around. The microprocessor-controlled battery is perfect for automatically adjusting the amperage rate. The Schumacher SC1309 battery charger is better than the SL1500 due to its automatic voltage detection. The battery charger is fully automatic and has a float mode and multi-stage charging. It can charge 6 volts and 12 volts batteries faster, giving them a quick jump start. The Schumacher battery charger is a great choice for people who want to charge their batteries in flexible conditions. It has a 12-foot elongated cord with an 8-gauge output cable. On the other hand, it has a colored metal clamp that helps in securely adjusting on top of batteries and providing them with seamless power. Pros: float mode, reverse hookup protection, 40 amp boost mode, LED display. Cons: base feet get dirty. The product link is in the description below if you want to buy it.
Number 2. Hi. Today we discuss about AUTOGEN car jump starter battery charger. Key specifications. Item weight 4.15 pounds. Engine start 4500 amp. Amperage 4000. Battery cell composition lithium polymer. Key features. The AUTOGEN car jump starter has a 12-volt built-in socket, making it versatile and mess-free. It has a portable built-in flashlight, with 3 modes, making it a great choice for dark environments. The battery charger is compatible with a QC 3.0 USB port, providing charging at lightning speed, and the ability to charge 3 devices at the same time. It has a smart battery management system, which shuts off the charger to avoid overcharging, and reduces the danger of short circuits. It is a 4500 amp battery charger with great temperature management, to avoid overheating from repeated use. We find the AUTOGEN 4500 amp car jump starter is of top-notch quality, because of its compact size and long cord. It has a great ability to jump-start a dead engine. The battery charger is specially designed for heavy-duty engines, and delivers 4500 amp. Its battery charges 75% faster, and saves much time when recharging. The AUTOGEN car jump starter is a reliable auto product, that pays a lot of emphasis to safety. It has a smart battery management system technology, that ensures safety against short circuits and overcharging. The auto shutdown technology is impeccable, to prevent overheating and risks of accidents. It also has a reverse hookup system, that provides overload and reverses polarity protection. Pros: 50% less battery usage, 75% faster charging, smart battery management system technology, reverse polarity protection. Cons: complicated to use for beginners. Our recommendation: we like the AUTOGEN car jump starter, because of its quick USB charge mechanism. It takes lesser time to jump-start a dead engine of a bulky vehicle. The product buying link is in the description below if you want to buy it. Number 3. Hi. Today we discuss about Stark 55 amp engine starter battery charger. So let's start. Key specifications. Item weight 62 pounds. Engine start. 600 amp. Power. 200 volt 60 Hz. Input power. 2. Key features. The Stark engine starter is a powerful charger that can instantly add life to a dead engine of a large vehicle. It has a built-in microprocessor, ideal for maintaining the battery indefinitely and increasing its life. The monitoring and charging technology help prevent the battery from overcharging or short circuit. People appreciate the safety features, which help eliminate reverse polarity, sparks, and overcharging. The 12V battery charger is quite easy to use, because of its readable screen and wheel for maneuverability. The Stark engine starter is much more useful than the CTEK portable charger for various reasons. One of them is a powerful 12-volt to 24-volt charger that helps jump-start a dead engine faster. It also has a microprocessor that ensures the battery will be charged safely. The Stark engine starter is one of the best in the market due to its monitoring technology, which helps precise charging. It is a worry-free battery charger that takes lesser time to jump-start vehicles with a bigger engine. People love how easy it is to push around due to its wheels and retractable handles. Pros: 12V, 24 volts battery charger. Built-in microprocessor. Reverse polarity protection. Cons: very heavy. Our recommendation: the Stark engine starter is one of the best choices due to the microprocessor, which charges the battery and protects it. The wheels make it quite easy to maneuver the battery charger and use it conveniently. The product buying link is in the description below. Number 4.
Hi. Today we discuss about NOCO Boost HD Jump Starter Box Battery Charger. Key specifications. Item weight: 5 pounds. Jump starts per charge, up to 40. Amperage: 2000. Battery cell composition: lithium polymer. Key features. The NOCO Boost HD Starter Box can jump-start a dead battery with 2000 amps, and an average of 40 jump starts per charge. One of the main advantages of the NOCO Jump Starter is its damage-proof and reverse polarity protection design. It has a 400 lumen flashlight with 8 modes, and a spare power supply for USB devices. It has an advanced battery charger design of only 5 pounds, and a rubberized molding to protect against accidents. The battery charger is very easy to use, and has a start-stop button for easy operation. The NOCO Boost HD Jump Starter Box is better than the GB40 model, because it can ignite a 6.0-liter diesel vehicle. It is one of the most powerful battery chargers with up to 2000 amperage, perfect for fully charging a battery within 2 hours. The NOCO Boost HD Jump Starter can easily power a lithium battery, and protect it from potential damage. We are quite impressed by the battery charger's rugged exterior and rubberized molding. It also has wheels for easy maneuverability and is only 5 pounds. Pros: 2000 amperage, 5 pounds, anti-leakage and spill-proof, 400 lumens built-in flashlight. Cons: complicated manual. Our recommendation: we like the NOCO battery charger due to its anti-leakage design and robust exterior. It comes with a microfiber cloth bag for easy storage, and charges a battery within 2 hours. The product buy link is in the description below.
Number 5. Hi. Today we discuss about Schumacher South Carolina 1360 automatic battery charger. So let's start. Key specifications. Item weight: 2.77 pounds. Engine start: 200 amp start-stop button. Yes. Boost: 15 amp. Key features. Schumacher South Carolina 1360 battery charger has automatic voltage detection, and provides a great power supply to jump-start 6-volt 12-volt SUV and truck batteries. The Schumacher SC1360 has a multi-stage charging system that elongates the battery life. It has a hardcore metal case that protects the charger against potential damages and wheels for maneuverability. It has convenient cord storage, which makes using it mess-free. The microprocessor-controlled battery charger is perfect for adjusting the amperage rate effortlessly. The Schumacher South Carolina 1360 battery charger is better than the SL1500 due to its automatic voltage detection. More features like a float mode and multi-stage precise charging also made an impactful difference. When it comes to get the reliable power and an extended battery life at the same time, the SC1360 battery charger comes into mind. This fully automatic battery charger delivers the 15-ampere rapid charge to the diesel engine batteries. On the other hand, if used for the standard charging purpose, the charger can deliver the 8-ampere charge. The Schumacher integrated battery charger also has vehicle detection features to help figure out the battery's charge level. Pros: float mode, reverse hookup protection, 15-amp boost mode, LED display. Cons: base feet get dirty. Our recommendation: the Schumacher South Carolina 1360 battery charger has some notable features that made it to the list of best battery chargers for diesel truck engines. Some of the features include float mode monitoring, multi-stage charging, microprocessor-controlled technology, and battery protection. The product buy link is in the description below. Number 6. Hi. Today we discuss about NOCO Boost GBX 155 Jump Starter. So let's start. Key specifications. Item weight: 4.15 pounds. Engine start: 4250 amp. Amperage: 4000. Battery cell composition: lithium polymer. Key features. The NOCO Car Jump Starter is a 12-volt ultra-safe charger, rated at 4250 amps, delivering maximum energy. It has USB-C technology, which provides a 5-minute jump start. Its ultra-safe 2.0 technology is spark-proof, and has a mistake-free design, to avoid potential accidents. The charger has a 1-year warranty, and a microfiber bag for storage. The lithium charger can easily jump-start a heavy-duty motorcycle and SUVs. We find the NOCO Boost GBX 155 Jump Starter a better one, because of its compact size and enhanced thermal efficiency. It has a great ability to jump-start a dead engine within 5 minutes. The battery charger is specially designed for heavy-duty engines, like SUVs, and delivers 4250 amps. The NOCO Boost GBX 155 Jump Starter is a reliable auto product with ultra-safe 2.0 technology. It ensures safety against short circuits and overcharging due to its mistake-free design. The auto shutdown technology and reverse polarity system are impeccable to prevent overheating and risks of accidents. It also has a reverse hookup system, which provides overload protection and keeps it safe from sparks. Pros: takes 2.7 hours to charge, 5 minutes to jump start, ultra-safe technology, reverse polarity protection. Cons: complicated to use for beginners. Our recommendation: we like the NOCO Boost GBX 155 because of its quick USB charge mechanism. It takes lesser than 5 minutes to jumpstart a dead engine of a bulky vehicle. Number 7. Hi. Today we discuss about NOCO Genius 2x2 2-bank 4-amp smart charger. So let's start. Key specifications. Item weight: 4.59 pounds. Changing current: 4 amps. Input voltage: 240 volts. Battery cell composition: lithium ion. Key features: The NOCO Genius 2x2 Smart Charger is an all-in-one charging solution, as it can jump-start a dead battery within minutes. It is a maintenance-free calcium battery that works easily and is quite beginner-friendly. The battery has an inbuilt thermal sensor that detects the weather to avoid under- or overcharging. People love how the battery has a slow pulse detection technology to examine the battery for sulfation for better restoration performance. All charging modes are indicated using a flashlight, making detecting the current battery status easier. The NOCO Genius Smart Charger is better than the GB40 model, because it can ignite a 6.0-liter diesel vehicle. It is one of the powerful batteries with up to exceptional amperage, perfect for fully charging a battery within 2 hours. The NOCO Genius 2x2 Smart Charger can easily power a lithium-ion battery, and protect it from potential damage. We are quite impressed by the battery charger's rugged exterior and metal clamps. It has a slow pulse technology to detect battery damages, and sulfation to provide a powerful jump start. Pros: precise charging, 4.59 pounds. Anti-leakage and spark-proof. LED indicators. Cons: complicated manual. Our recommendation: we like the NOCO battery charger due to its 2-tank battery maintainer to access battery health. It has LED indicators for charger status, which makes the process worry-free for beginners. The product buy link is in the description below.